Joe's Yard channel. I am going to do a quick demonstration of this joystick control on this country clipper, because I know a lot of people are wondering, since I don't have the dual levers, exactly how great this works on hills and whatnot. So I'm out here on a graveyard, a 5-acre graveyard that we mow weekly, and I'm all ready to do a demonstration for you guys. So let's get into it. As you guys can kind of see, it holds hills pretty well for a single joystick control. Wish it had a little better suspension and like a high-low gear, so that when we don't have grave markers to go around, or tombstones to go around, that a couple acres where there is nobody buried, that we could actually flip it from a high-low gear. But clearly they don't have that yet, so I'm looking forward to hopefully Country Clipper doing a stand-on zero turn eventually here, and doing the single joystick with the flip-out decks. I think that'd be excellent. So, alright, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like. Bye.